So the JBL Flip 6 is a powerhouse of a portable Bluetooth speaker, and this is what makes it stand out from the crowd. So I got one piece of it right here, and I'm going to unbox it. It's pretty tight. Okay. Oh, that was a hustle. So here's the speaker. Some very nice pictures and stuff. Really huge, but the packaging is good. Let me check this out. So it comes with a manual of how to use it, and something I think in Chinese, if you can read that. And here is the charger, Type C on the USB, which you can just plug in right here, the port, and then you can put this in your charger. It has its on switch. Let's try to turn it on. Yeah. I'm going to connect it to my phone. Okay. Oh, it appears as the JBL Flip 6. You can see it. It doesn't take really much time to find. Pair. So there we are, connected. It is quite easy to connect. So the JBL Flip 6 has improved durability from all the others, and with its IP67 rating, it is both water and dust resistant. So it is the perfect speaker you can take out for your outdoor adventures. So an outing with your friends at the beach, at the pool, you don't have to be worried about it getting spoiled. The Flip 6 boasts a separate tweeter and dual passive radiators, giving you tunes added depth and power. It's also great at producing clean and emotionally resonant sound with excellent dynamic expression. So it will be good for you to even watch a nice movie with it. It will give you the best sound. You can hear from the deepest to the highest pitch tones. With this, it has well-balanced sound. So if that's what you're kind of looking for, like me, so you'll get it. And I would love to talk about its upgraded Bluetooth. The Flip 6 features Bluetooth 5.1, providing a more stable and range-friendly connection. So it has a very long range. So the JBL Flip 6 comes with an app, just like the Flip 5, where you can adjust a lot of things. You can, make your adjustments of sound. If you want it to be a nice movie sound, or you want it to be, you want to increase the bass, like me, I really like the bass. So it will be nice for you. You can adjust anything. You can also update all the features and the firmware. The JBL has the PartyBoost features. So different from many other JBL speakers, you can actually connect it to others, the Flip 6. So while it's producing sound, you can connect it to other JBL speakers, and at the same time, all the JBL speakers will be playing from the same phone or from the same source. So you can have a party with your JBL Flip 6 and adding all the others. So let's talk about something that is very important, something that I deem to be important, the battery life. According to the packaging and everything, they tell you that the JBL Flip 6 takes actually 12 hours, but according to testing, when I tested it out, it lasted for 9 hours and 27 minutes, which is actually fair. I mean, personally, I don't get to have 9 hours of just using it, but if I use it in beats, it can last me, 24 hours in a day. If I get to use it like 2 hours or 3 hours in a day, it can actually take me a week, according to the times that I listen. So its battery life is pretty good. You can take 9 hours is actually something without you having to charge. So I commend that, you get the JBL Flip 6. So of course we cannot leave the stylish design. The JBL Flip 6 has a very nice design. Personally, I like it, and it comes in numerous colors. It comes in this blue, which I cannot explain. It comes in the black, it comes in pink, it comes in gray, and very many other colors actually, which if you like, they can match with whatever background you like. The JBL, if you prioritize nice sound like I do, and of course its durability of the battery, I think it would be the best, given that it even comes at a very good price. You can get it from around 100 to 120 USD. Here in Rwanda, you can get it at 100 USD, that is around 135,000 Rwanda francs. So I think I do like it, and I think you should get the JBL Flip 6.